Good morning, students. Yes, in the previous class we started a subject verb agreement. Is it right? Now look at the exercise. So exercise number one. Exercise number one. So what helping verb we have to use? So here more than 50 guests is are expected. Look that more than. Just when you observe the previous examples, maybe you can understand what helping verb, single helping verb or plural helping verb they will take. You can understand. So previous examples you have to look once again. Okay. More than 50 guests in the bracket is or are. So expected. So what helping verb you have to take here? Is or are. So when you previous example, when you see that, maybe you can understand what helping verb you have to take. So here more than 50 kids. It means what you have to take is or her. What helping verb you have to take? Yes. Here we have to use plural form. Or more than 50 guests are expected because when the subject taken the whole, when the subject take the whole is plural, it means get the whole idea. At the moment we have to use are. ಇಡೀ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ we have to use are. More than 50 gets are expected. Only one thing. Okay. Then look at the second example. Bread and bread and butter. Bread and butter is or are again. Is or are their greatest needs now. Greatest need now. What helping verb do you take in the blank? So here we have to take is because if the noun suggests one idea, it gives one idea. Because bread and butter, it gives a one idea. What a greatest need now. That's its essential thing. Bread and butter, it is an essential thing. So for that reason, we have used is. Bread and butter is there just now. Okay. Then board and lodging. Board and lodging in the bracket have or has been arranged in separate places. The different things. Okay. Separate places. So here, what helping verb we have to take? Have. Board and lodging have. What is that? Being arranged in separate places. That like you have to use have or has. Then fourth example. Look at the fourth example. What is that? Neither I nor you. You in the bracket am or are wrong. What helping verb we will take? Are. So this like you have to choose the helping verb. Okay. Now I am going to write the answer. The first main, just you have to look. Fifth one. Fifth one you have to write a are. My uncle and my father are coming to see me today. Sixth one is. Okay. Seventh one are. Eighth one where. Ninth one live. Tenth one was. Okay. 11th one. What you have to write? 11th one is. 12th one agree. 13th one I am. 14th one is. 15th one what is that? Or. 16th you have to see. 16th one what you have to write? Or. Okay. 17th want. 18th brings. 19th or. 20th is. So this like you have to write the choose the correct verb. Okay. So then come to the second main in the exercise. Correct the following sentence. So correct the following sentence. Whether you use the singular or plural you have to think. Here either I or my brother. So am is there. Don't write ham. So in that place we have to write is going to attend the party. So second main we have to write is. Okay. Then either my brother or I. Then what you have to write? I am. Either my brother or I am going to attend the party. See there. Okay. Then third one. Neither the boys nor the teachers. Teacher is there, so you have to write is. Fourth. Either the teacher or the boys or you have to write or. Then fifth one. Neither Rama nor his brother has a bicycle. Just like you have to write. His secretary and typist is on the on lift rail. Okay. Seventh one. My pet and companion is. Eighth one. Either my brother or I am. I am. Stay with her. Ninth one. Either the president or secretary has. Okay, 10th one. Milk and food are good for health. 11th one. Neither my sister nor my brother nor my brother. 12th one. Speaking and writing are two different skills. Yes, of course. Both are different things. Then, neither the woman nor the children were hurt. Were hurt. Okay, next. 14th one. A coat and tie is usual dress for office. That's one thing only is there. Then 15th. So, a friend and class fellow of mine is going to England. This like you have to write the water helping verb. Okay. Then some words are there. Each the following words must be followed by singular word. So which are the words? After words we have to use this singular word. Each, either, neither, everyone, anyone, no one, someone, anyone, anybody, somebody, everybody, many a. So after these words we have to use the singular word. After this one we have to use the singular verb. Let's see how. Ninth man, Mr. Das has three sons. Three sons. Each hmm, each has. Each is there na. So that's reason we have to use singular word. Mr. Das has three sons. Okay. Mr. Das has three sons. Each has, what is that? A bicycle. Each is there now. After each word we have to use has. Look at another sentence. One of my books is last. So one is there. So that's reason is. Let's see next sentence. No one wants to be unhappy. To be unhappy. So no one is there. So that's reason singular word wants. Be is there to be happy. Then here are two pens. Either afterward what helper we have to use is good. Okay. Let's see some more examples. Everybody. Afterward, what we have to use was. Everybody was crying for water. Water. Yes, everybody after was. The next. Either of the rooms don't write very here because I initially we used either of the rooms was suitable for me. Suitable for me. Suitable for me. Then, so neither of the two girls wore or ways was very intelligent. Then each underline neither each of these minerals is found in India. Is so then every one of the girls was happy. So let's see here. Then one more examples we have to look at. Everyone is there. Everyone of the boys of the boys loves to ride. Loves to ride. Look at next. Many a man has done so. Okay. Next, many a plant has died. See, when you observe these examples, after these words we have to use the singular verb. Each, either, neither, everyone, anyone, no one, someone, anyone, anybody, somebody, everybody, many a. After these words, you have to use the singular verb. For example, loves, has, here also has, was, is, was. So here, this slide, we have to use the helping verb after the words. Okay. So homework. Once again we have to practice first main and second main. The exercise first main is there. In the first main you have to first exercise is there. In the exercise first main and second main you have to practice once again. Okay. See you in the next class.